Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're exploring one of the most breathtaking natural wonders in Europe, Plitvice Jezera, also known as Plitvice Lakes National Park. Nestled within the rugged mountain passes of central Croatia, this UNESCO World Heritage Site is pure magic. It's where water, land and sky come together to create a place that feels almost otherworldly. Seriously, it's like stepping into a fairy tale. At the heart of Plitvice Jezera are 16 stunning lakes, all connected by a series of waterfalls. Each one cascades into the next, creating a beautiful network of water that varies in size and intensity. The colors, emerald and turquoise, are unreal. The water is so clear, you can see the underwater plants, sunlight dancing on the lakebed, and fish just gliding by. These vibrant colors aren't just because the water is clear, it's also thanks to the minerals and tiny organisms in the lakes. Depending on the time of day or the season, the light reflects off them in different ways. It's something you just have to see to believe. And it's not just the lakes that are incredible. The landscape around them is just as impressive. Lush forests cover the area, home to all kinds of plants and animals. As you wander along these wooden footbridges and trails, the sound of rushing water is always there, mixed with birdsong and the rustling of leaves. It's so peaceful. Then there are the mountains. They rise up in the distance, often wrapped in a blanket of clouds. The way the clouds move across the peaks and touch the water adds this mysterious vibe to the whole place. It's constantly changing with the weather, time of day, and seasons. It feels like the landscape is alive. One of the most peaceful experiences here is cruising on the lake. As the boat glides through the green waters, you get this dreamlike view. The gentle ripples, the reflections of the forest and mountains. It's like you're in another world. It's the perfect way to really soak in the beauty of Plitvice. Even though Plitvice Jezera feels remote, it draws visitors from all over the world. People come here to experience its natural beauty, and it never disappoints. The park is a reminder of how important it is to preserve places like this, where nature is untouched, and the only sounds are those of the earth itself. Whether you're walking the footbridges, hiking the trails, or just drifting on the lake, this place leaves a mark on your heart. It's a reminder of the serene beauty that still exists in the world's wildest corners. Thanks so much for joining me on this adventure. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and hit subscribe for more travel stories. Until next time, take care and happy travels.